Hello everyone, I have a box from Mercedes-Benz India to unbox here. It is a 1:18 scale Mercedes-AMG S63 from GT Spirit. This car comes in the dealer edition box, which Mercedes calls the Mercedes-AMG designer packaging, and it looks really nice. It also says limited edition 1067 on the side, as there are only that many number of pieces created. So that was the overview of the box, and now let's move on to the car, which is well protected in this thermocol shell. There is a piece of sellotape on both sides which holds the two pieces together. So that's the car, which is made out of resin and not die cast, and is also hand assembled. It is a very heavy car. There is also the long wheelbase version of the S-Class. Now let's zoom in to all of its details. The front grille is really well detailed. There is a radar for the cruise control and a small AMG logo which is photo etched. The Mercedes logo on the grille is really well detailed and the hood ornament is photo etched. The headlights are really well detailed and they look really good. The lower grille also has carbon fiber surrounding it. The air intakes also are really well detailed. The center cap of the wheel also has a photo etched logo and the wheel rolls quite freely. There is also the AMG caliper with a drilled brake disc. There is also a V8 bi-turbo 4MATIC Plus logo which is photo etched. The rocker panel also has a carbon fiber side skirt. The rear wheel is fixed and does not roll at all. The back is really well detailed and all the logos are photo etched. There is also a carbon fiber diffuser under the rear bumper. The tail light is also well detailed. There is also a chrome strip on the door handle. The mirror caps are also carbon fiber. The interior is finished in a blue and beige combination which looks really good. The dashboard is really well detailed and there is also a photo etched logo on the steering wheel. All of the details are captured really well. The instrument cluster and the infotainment system are also really well detailed. The door cards have all the buttons and the speakers on them. The stitching on the seats are very clear and the seatbelt buckle is also really well detailed. There is also the AMG badge on the seat. Showing you the rear seats is difficult as the windows are tinted. But as you can see, there is the rear seat entertainment system. It is also as detailed as the front seats. There are defroster lines on the rear windshield, but it is really difficult to see them. You can also see the seat belt on the rear seat from here. The rear AC vents are also well detailed. And this is the passenger side of the car. You can see that there is stitching on the dashboard as well. There's also the storage net on the passenger side footwell. There are also the various sensors on top of the windshield. The wipers are also separate and are not molded in with the windshield. This is how the interior looks like from the top through the sunroof. That's the inner rear view mirror, and the headliner is really well detailed. And this is how the rear headliner looks like. There is also the vanity mirror for the rear passengers. There is a metal plate on the chassis which has the AMG logo and the name of the car on it. It also has the limitation of the car, and this is car number 1152. The exhaust is really well detailed, but some details on the chassis are missing. And that's the carbon fiber rear diffuser. The carbon fiber also extends to the side of the rear bumper. The tread pattern on the tire is also really well detailed. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and see you later.